Warringa Connect. We acknowledge the Burungaran people, the owners of the land, where we gather, learn and play. We pay our respect to elders, both past and present.
We recognize their connection to country and their role in caring of and maintaining country for thousands of years.
May their strength and wisdom be with us today and always.
Hey guys, we got some amazing news for you today. Even though it's term 2's nearly done and we're almost into term 3, we're getting a late cast member for hopefully goes further into term 3 and term 4 maybe. Introduce Billy.
Somebody remember making Connect with us.
Hey Billy, so I heard, since you're a new member, would you like to be a screenwriter, a lamb reporter? So you want to be a lamb reporter? I think we can make that happen. Yeah. High five.
Hey Max, have a guess how old Billy is.
By his size, 1?
He's 1 week old.
God damn.
Yep. Still baby. Isn't he so cute, guys?
Lamb. Lamb.
And he drinks special milk out of a bottle.
What?
It's like a lamb and a kid, like a goat milk. It's powdered and you mix it up with some warm water.
Where do you get it?
Hello everyone, this is Warringa Park School news. Last week, our 2024 student came to CRC for barbecue party. They share our memories, what they do after school, and we catch up and will share forever in our place and our hearts. We are happy to see them, share memories, and we have a good day. We give them a big hug, go for a walk and hang out with them. Let's see our happiness in the video.
What are you doing outside of the school today, Tristan?
I am currently working for a job.
Which job?
I'm working for IT.
Oh, that's nice.
So I've got some work to do there tomorrow, so yeah.
I hope you enjoy your day there.
Probably do something to music or do something maybe, I don't know, probably be like a fashion designer maybe or a sports teacher.
I suppose that's nice, Christine.
Now, Blake, me and you go way back, 2019, Room 32. Those were the days, weren't they?
Yeah, good old days.
Yep. What's it like post-school?
It's alright.
What are you getting up to? Any day programs, working?
Yeah, I'm hanging out with the twins outside school.
What do you guys do? Just catch up wherever?
Yeah, catch up wherever.
Public transport?
Not really.
In and around Werribee?
Yeah, in and around Werribee.
What have you been up to?
Nothing much, just focus on life and doing my own things at home.
That's nice.
I joined a day program called Heartland, and on Thursdays I do excursions, and Fridays are arts and crafts.
And is that down at the plaza, stocking shelves and all that?
Yep, I really like this one. And I told him, is there anything I could get this job actually? And he said to me, yes, we could do that. If you got a resume, yes, I do.
That's awesome to hear. So that's all the skills we learned from warehousing down with Scotty, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. It actually is, yes.
So you'd recommend that SBAT program for anyone listening to maybe do warehousing?
Maybe sometime, yeah.
What's it been like catching up with all your old friends, teachers, and that?
It's alright. Miss
Yeah.
them.
You miss them a lot?
Yeah.
That's the only good part about school?
Yep.
Yeah?
Welcome, Caitlin. Hi. What have you been up to in your jobs?
I haven't gotten a job yet.
Oh. What have you been up to when you missed this campus? How exciting to come to Warringa Park School today?
It's very good.
Oh.
Seeing all the new people and stuff like that.
But I got media again. How are you feeling like coming to Warringa Park School?
Honestly, I miss it a lot. I miss being here, seeing all the teachers, friends, principals, everything.
Oh, that's nice. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Do you miss Warringa Park School?
Yes, I do. Well, yes.
What did you most think you missed here?
Friends, teachers, yeah. I like making friends and stuff.
It feels weird being back here, seeing everyone. Sort of like I never left, but also kind of strange at the same time. I miss being a part of Warringa Connect.
Oh, hello, I am Bailey, the school captain as always, and I'm here with Amani. Amani, how does it feel to see all of your DX students from last year come back?
A bit weird because they graduated, but I'm actually happy because like I get to see my old friends. It brings back memories.
Yeah, bring back those memories of old friends. Glad to see them, have a good day at the barbecue over there. Just walk around having fun is great and more memories.
You can't ignore anything.
This term at Warringa Crescent campus, our Wakakirri teams are back in action. 35 students are begun to rehearsal for our 2025 storytelling dance.
I'm going to show you. This is one of our backdrops. It's as big as that green screen.
Are you okay?
This is the village where the animals go that are not well.
You.
It is.
We got cockatoos. We got
You're flying. And then to the next. Moving your bodies, keeping your feet on the ground. Like your whole body is moving.
Good luck to all our students. We can't wait to see a Warringa Rangers village come back to life, our stage.
Hi Yazzie,
Hello.
how are you?
Good.
Can you talk to me about your journey at Venom Tech School?
So we go to the tech school and we do some robots. And last time we did some esports tournaments, and then this time we're doing robots.
That's very good to hear.
Who's ready? Alright, go!
We get to build our own cardboards and use our Spiros
to control our cardboards around. And we also use those pins that attach to our cardboard. Pop your own opponent's balloons.
Make sure to be responsible for your work. No stuffing around, no doing inappropriate stuff. Just get on with your work and make a better future for yourself.
Everyone
can create. Today we are learning about slow motion video. Slow motion means everything moves slowly so we can see all the little details. We are trying to catch fun motion to celebrate the end of term 2. We are dancing and having fun. Open the camera app on your iPad. Swipe through the modes and tap slow mo. Now tap the red button to start filming in slow motion. Tap it again to stop. Your slow motion video will be saved in photos automatically.
So this term, we did past conference on candle making, bath bombs, chocolate making, and photo cards this term. And we also been focusing on respect, on one of our school values. How about you, Max? What do you have been learning this term?
We did English, maths, but probably everyone's favorite is recess.
And the lunch. And lunch?
Yes, and lunch especially.
I look forward to seeing everyone next term on Monday the 21st of July. Have a good rest, read a book, spend time with your families or friends, and have a good holiday, have a good rest. And I look forward to seeing everyone next time on Monday the 21st of July. Bye!